Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep Cherokee into neutral, especially if your battery is dead or you need to move it without power. First, you'll need to locate a small access cover near your gear shifter. Use a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to carefully pry this cover off. This action will expose the manual neutral release mechanism, which is crucial for this process. Once the cover is removed, you should see a distinct orange handle or lever inside the opening. This is your neutral override. Firmly pull this orange handle upwards until you hear and feel a click. This click indicates that the transmission has been disengaged and your Jeep Cherokee is now in neutral, ready to be moved. Safety is paramount when using this feature. Always ensure your parking brake is fully engaged before attempting to put the vehicle into neutral and secure it to prevent any unintended rolling. When you are finished and wish to return the vehicle to park, simply push the orange handle back down firmly until it locks into its original position. This will re-engage the transmission. After re-engaging park, always confirm that your vehicle is securely in position and will not roll. You can then test your regular shifter to ensure it operates normally. This manual override is a vital tool for specific situations. For more helpful tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, please check the description below for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.